Hi, my name is Gyanam. I'm a myotherapist. Myotherapy is a profession created specifically to assess and treat myofascial dysfunction. Myotherapy is not massage therapy, it is physical therapy. Unfortunately, there is too much massage therapy in physical therapy and not enough physical therapy in physical therapy. I'm taking the initiative to incorporate movement therapy into my practice of physical therapy. What is myofascial dysfunction? Not many people know the terminology and concepts behind physical therapy, so I'm making this video to provide the definitions and to raise the awareness of myofascial dysfunction. Myofascia means muscle and fascia. In the context of physical therapy, muscle is not separate from fascia. We assess and treat myofascia as one set of structures. Let us say myofascial dysfunction means behavioral change in movement. Late firing of motor neurons, termed neuromuscular inhibition, is indicated by uncoordinated movement. Myofascial restrictions or cross-linkages result in deconditioned myofascia. Massage therapy and stretching techniques are not enough to restore function to decondition myofascia. The strategy that I propose is based on concepts from movement therapy. To understand movement therapy, you need to understand the concept of center of gravity. Your body biomechanically adapts to your perception of center of gravity. Movement about a center of gravity is affected by a myofascial network called the kinetic chain. This concept of the kinetic chain provides the view that somewhere on the chain there is a weakest link. If left untreated, the body adapts to the myofascial dysfunction by recruiting synergistic myofascia, and it becomes more difficult to restore ideal function to the kinetic chain. Our social learning workshop explores diaphragmatic breathing. We will start each session with long, slow breathing to stimulate the vagus nerve. This engages the parasympathetic nervous system, which stops the autonomic nervous system from going into fight or flight response mode. Arthrokinematics. We focus on the scapulothoracic joint and the sacroiliac joint, the two common joints that develop dyskinesis due to deconditioned myofascia. Warm-up exercises and stretching. We will work on opening up the superficial front line according to Anatomy Trains Structural Integration. Anatomy Trains Structural Integration is a specialized modality that provides methods for correcting structural imbalances. We will incorporate core stabilization and gluteal stabilization. More may follow depending on physical assessment. The other aspects of physical therapy we will explore are neuromuscular facilitation and physical assessment.